We're unboxing the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, formulated with hyaluronic acid for hydrated, tacky consistency. This primer contains active ingredients like hemp-derived cannabis seed extract, blue agave extract, aloe water, and hyaluronic acid. It's best for gripping makeup to create a long-lasting finish and gives the skin a natural glow without sparkle. Milk Makeup is known for its high-performing vegan products, disrupting the beauty industry for several years. The primer is extremely lightweight and hydrating, effectively extending the wear of face products. However, it might be too hydrating for those who want a matte finish and can produce patchy makeup application if too much is used. Now let's see how to use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer to achieve a flawless makeup look. Apply a small amount onto clean skin and gently massage in, allowing it to dry to a tacky finish. The primer will grip your makeup, creating a long-lasting, hydrated, and glowing finish for your face products. Experience the benefits of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer for yourself and elevate your makeup routine.